As part of Norfolk Public Schools' Summer Enrichment Initiative, Green STEM Camp at Camp Young offers a STEM-based program that introduces campers to STEM-based activities and career opportunities. This summer, Colonna Shipyard was invited to give these students in grades 3 through 7 a presentation on welding, exposing them to a possible career in the shipbuilding industry.
Well, at Green STEM Summer Camp today, we have Colonna Shipyard. They're out doing a welding simulation for the students, which is great because the purpose of STEM Camp is to expose students to STEM careers. I'm hoping that the students see that you don't have to go to college to get a STEM career, and if you do decide to go to college, that's a different option as well.
We're here to show the kids a trade, welding, and let them see what they have as far as opportunities. We've shown them some how to weld virtually. We brought the VR machine. We've brought them some props, some test plates, some of the tools that the trade uses, and show them what the overall outcome of welding is.
Well, at here, they are doing a VR game to practice welding and show how good they are at their experience at it. It was kind of complicated at first. I didn't know whether to go like slow or fast, but it went good. It's nice to like experience actually how it actually is like on virtual reality.